Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Finally, Apple has launched its iPhone 16 flagship series, bringing new designs and features like 4K 120fps video recording, spatial audio mixing, narrower display bezels, improved battery life, and more. Today, I'll be unboxing all the phones from the iPhone 16 series and discussing the new features and cameras, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more great tech content. This time, the iPhone 16 also comes with some features from the Pro variants. First of all, if we look at the design of the iPhone 16, there's a big change in the camera module compared to the iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 had cameras in a diagonal layout, but now the iPhone 16 has them in a vertical layout, which reminds us of the iPhone 10. The phone has a main camera and an ultra-wide camera, and this setup is more convenient for capturing spatial photos and videos. This time, the iPhone 16 also comes in new colors, like pink and a navy color that gives a slight purple feel. Let me know in the comments which of these two new colors you like the most. In the iPhone 16 Pro series, you'll find familiar titanium colors, including a new desert titanium color. The overall look of the Pro models is more titanium-like compared to the previous generation, thanks to the use of a microbias yarn process this time. Compared to the previous generation, the frame of the iPhone 16 Pro series has a more reflective effect. Overall, the design looks more refined. The bezels are also narrower than before. In the iPhone 15 Pro series, we had 6.1 and 6.7-inch displays, but in the iPhone 16 Pro series, we now get 6.3 and 6.9-inch displays. Although the size increase is only 0.2 inches, the narrower bezels mean the overall phone size has only slightly increased. As a result, the screen resolution is also higher compared to the previous generation. When comparing with the iPhone 15 Pro series, you can see that the display area is larger in the settings menu. Last time, the iPhone 15 Pro series introduced the Action button, and now this same button is also available in the regular iPhone 16 series. This means you can customize the Action button on the iPhone 16 as well. In short, this Action button lets you access many shortcut features, and you can open your favorite app with just one click. This time, there's a new camera control button available on all phones in the iPhone 16 series, which is a nice surprise since it was only expected in the Pro series. This button offers gesture, tapping, pressing, and swiping features, and it can do more than just work as a shutter button. For example, a single press will quickly open the camera, and if you press and hold, the video recording feature will start immediately. With one tap, you get vibration feedback, and by swiping, you can customize the most recent camera settings. After tapping multiple times, you can slide to modify shooting functions. However, I don't find this option very convenient. It's easier to tap on the screen and modify any function directly. This time, the standard iPhone 16 also supports macro shooting with the ultra-wide camera, while the previous iPhone 15 standard model only supported the ultra-wide camera without the macro feature. The standard iPhone 16 now also supports autofocus, so you can take macro shots with the standard variant. Compared to the previous generation, the aperture is also larger. Before it was f2.4, but now it's f2.2. The camera sensor has also been upgraded this time. Now, talking about the iPhone 16 Pro series, it comes with a triple rear camera setup, where two of the cameras are 48 megapixels, a 48 megapixel main camera and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Lastly, the iPhone 16 Pro series includes a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Here, you can see a sample of a macro shot, which looks outstanding, and it's captured using the ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 16 series comes with the photographic styles feature, which is quite different from the previous generation. With this feature, users can adjust colors in real time directly on the device. making it fully customizable. You can also use this feature after capturing the photo during post-production. This feature is available on all iPhone 16 models, not just the Pro series, so even the standard iPhone 16 has it. This time, all models in the iPhone 16 series come with spatial audio recording, meaning you can also do audio mixing after recording videos. Additionally, the iPhone 16 series supports 4K 120fps video recording, a feature usually found only in high-end flagship camera phones. This feature is available for both slow motion and normal video recording. The iPhone 16 comes with the A18 chip, while the iPhone 16 Pro models have the A18 Pro chip. This time, the standard variant also has increased RAM, now up to 8 GB. You can see the Geekbench 6 scores here, showing that the A18 chip is more powerful compared to the A17 Pro. You can also compare the GPU scores of the A18 chip and the A18 Pro chip. Here, you can check out the look of the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 standard variant has many changes. It features a more powerful processor, a new camera control button, and audio recording and mixing capabilities. However, the fast refresh rate display is still only available in the Pro series. The standard model has a refresh rate of just 60 Hz. The iPhone 16 also offers advanced 4K 120fps recording, a larger screen, and narrower bezels. Compared to the previous generation, the battery life is also significantly better. So friends, what do you think about the new iPhone 16 series? Which feature do you like the most? Please let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time with the latest tech updates. Until then, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.